everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope all of you are doing great. So today's video will be on enhancing concentration, better brain teaser, and strengthening the identification of the number. So now let's get started. But before starting, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get regular updates on our upcoming videos. Now let's see how to do this one. So for this, all that you need is these ice cream sticks and some numbers written on this. Child simply needs to match these ice cream sticks with the numbers written on the worksheet. So let's see where we can find these three numbers: 26, 10 and 13. So let's see where it could be. Here it is, 26, 10 and 13. So the child will align this ice cream stick like this. If I take another one which is 14, 6 and 8, so child again will find that these three numbers on the worksheet. So where could be 14, 6 and 8? So here it is, 14, 6 and 8. So the child will align it like this. If I take this one, this comes out to be 10, 21 and 19. So where is 10, 21 and 19? So here it is. So the child will align it like this. If I take the another one, it's 1, 27 and 15. So the child will again find 1, 27 and 15 like this. And if I take this one, this comes out to be 17, 4 and 20. So the child will place it here. So as you could see in this activity, some of the ice cream sticks are horizontal, some of the ice cream sticks are vertical. So this kind of things really helps the child while performing this activity, that he has to concentrate that which stick will be aligned in which manner. So sometimes it's he have to find number like this, sometimes he have to find number like this. So this really works as a brain teaser also. This child will put all the ice cream sticks on the number mentioned in worksheet, and this is how we will perform this activity. When I have given this activity to Amish, that his number recognition or identification is improving day by day, and he also take this activity as a fun play. He loves to do this activity. So now let's see how he's doing this one. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.